can.
Goofball, that's not how you open the box. What are you doing? What did you do to your poor box?
I don't know why in the night I opened it like this. No, I was so excited.
It's a treasure chest. It's a crate. Flip it open.
Oh my gosh, I was so dumb. Oh wow.
What's that? Let's see. Experience the thrill of mining and gem discovery while excavating a colossal crystal-shaped geode. This guy, oh my god, that's pretty.
I told you it was
5 genuine mining tools, I guess these here, to uncover 13 gems, including jasper, amethyst, snowflake, obsidian, and more. Okay, and it has an infographic poster. All right, so you're gonna read, right?
Yes.
What does it say?
It says put water in it, on it. Look at this and this.
Place your dig in a large bowl of water. If you do not have one large enough to submerge the entire dig, you can soak part of the dig and then turn it or soak the rest in your tank. Oh, well, there's your tub right now. Okay, buddy, go fill it up with water.
Mommy, can you help me? I feel like it's floating.
You have to submerge it. Flip it over the other side.
Oh, I found something, but I don't see it.
Pretty, let me see. Oh. I think you should let it soak a little longer, just saying.
Yeah, I think so. You're right. I don't need this. It's trash. Oh my god.
Maybe you should take it out now?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. I slammed it so hard.
Be careful. I wouldn't do that. I'm pretty sure you'd hurt yourself.
Oh, I just discovered something. Oh, it's actually a lot. Oh my god, I found something.
What did you find?
I don't know, but I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna do it up. Oh my god.
What's wrong?
Oh, snap. Yep, I definitely broke it.
Let me see. Okay, well, you got 2 of them. Where's the other one?
This one?
Alrighty.
Let's do that.
So, Leo, what did you think about this project?
It was amazing.